Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ServiceNow to route project requests to Jira. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Navigate to the Application Navigator. Search for Integration Hub. Open Integration Hub from the search results. Ensure you have the appropriate permissions to access Integration Hub features. Locate the Flow Designer option within Integration Hub. Click on Flow Designer to open the interface. Create a new flow by clicking New. Give your flow a descriptive name such as Project Request to Jira. Add a trigger to your flow. Select the option for Record Created from the trigger options. Specify the table from which project requests will be pulled, typically the Project Requests table. Next, add an action to your flow. Search for the Jira connector in the Action menu. Select Create Issue or a similar option from the Jira Actions. Configure the Jira action by providing necessary details such as the project key. Map relevant fields from the ServiceNow project request to the corresponding fields in Jira. Include information like the summary, description, and priority. Add a condition to filter which project requests should be sent to Jira. For example, you may want to route requests that meet certain criteria. Test your flow to ensure that it triggers properly upon creating a project request. Use the test feature to simulate a project request and see if it creates a Jira issue. Monitor the execution of your flow to verify that it behaves as expected. If needed, adjust the mappings and conditions based on the test results. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, activate the flow. Keep a record of any error messages or failures for troubleshooting. Regularly review the integration performance to ensure it operates smoothly. Document your steps and configurations for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.